Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. So in this week's episode, I put on the intake, starting putting the linkage together, just mocking it up, and I don't know what happened. I was about a ½ inch out. No, quarter inch, roughly, which doesn't seem that much, but when you have clearance issues, it's enough to screw things over. Anyways, I'm doing linkage, making some new pieces, and that's what this episode is about. So I've been mocking up the linkage and problems occurred. I had to shorten up these and extend these just so it was square to the world because they were off kilt. I had put everything together before, but now since I did that, it's hitting right here between the two support bars, between the rad and the cowl. Now these are hitting. So what I did, I went to Canadian Tire, got some 5/16 inch rod, which this is, and I'm making a U shape to go just around. I'm gonna start TIGging that up. I already bent it, and we'll see if it works. I'm totally bad for not letting it cool down with this, how you're supposed to time it. Honestly, I cut it right off the welder, the timing wise, for it to purge. I always forget, so I'm not going to sit there and waste 5 seconds or 10 seconds worth of gas every time, because I always forget. What are you going to do? All right. So my welds, they go together. Are they a stack of dimes? No. Sometimes they are. All depends if I'm perfect position and you're sitting there like clockwork, just going. And I enjoy TIG welding, but this little guy right here, I'm just looking for penetration, and that's about it. All right, so I'm gonna wait for this to cool off, and then I'm gonna flip it over, do the same thing, and then I'm gonna slice out the chunk in the middle after I'm done. I love how TIGging, you know, if you miss a spot or anything like that, you can kind of push the puddle around. It's just so nice. Slow compared to TIG welding, but it's a really nice tool to have. Looks good. All right, so I just let Mira out. It's almost -9. It's -10, -9, something like that, degrees Celsius. Got this white t-shirt on, you're out there. It feels so nice. You don't need a jacket. You know, it's been a long winter when you know you're out there in -9, -10 without no jacket. All right, gonna let this cool down, chop it, and then I'll show you the results. All right, so just a simple piece. Yeah, I got to lots of room in here now. All right, what else I did is for the remote thermostat housing, I had to change the bracket a little bit. So while I was TIG welding, I welded that up as well. Still a lot to do. What I'm going to do is just mock everything up, make sure everything works really nice, and then I'm going to take everything off, paint it, and install it. Yeah. Put on the intake. Was it a couple days ago? Yeah. It's getting there. All right, friends. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Have a good day.